In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower Taboola costs. The most reliable way to do this is by letting Taboola's automated bidding do the heavy lifting for you. Instead of guessing the right bid for every placement, Smart Bid uses machine learning to evaluate each impression in real time and adjust your bid to match the likelihood of a valuable action. That means you stop overpaying for low-quality traffic and pay just enough to win the impressions that are actually likely to convert. There are two core options you can use: maximize conversions and enhanced CPC, often called ECPC. Both are designed to cut waste compared to fixed manual bids, but they behave a little differently, so you can pick what's right for your goals. Maximize conversions focuses on getting you the highest number of conversions within your budget. It continuously raises and lowers bids based on signals like placement, device, time of day, and historical performance, pushing harder when the predicted conversion rate is high and easing off when it's not. Over time, this typically drives your cost per conversion down because you're funneling more of your spend into the moments that matter. This works best when you have consistent, accurate conversion tracking, because the algorithm learns from those results. Give it a bit of runway. Avoid making rapid changes and let it gather enough data to stabilize. Enhanced CPC is a lighter touch. If you like to set a base bid but want the system to intelligently nudge that bid up or down, ECPC is for you. It automatically lowers bids where it can still win the impression, helping you pay only what's needed. It's especially helpful when you want efficiency gains without fully handing over bid control. You'll often see steadier spend and CPCs while still benefiting from machine-driven optimizations. Both strategies aim to reduce waste. With manual bidding, you might set a single bid across wildly different placements, inevitably overpaying in some areas and underbidding in others. Automated bidding fixes that by aligning your bid to the true value of each impression. To use these options, open your campaign's bidding settings and select either Maximize Conversions or Enhanced CPC. Set a realistic daily budget so the system has room to learn, and avoid frequent toggling between strategies. Keep an eye on cost per conversion and overall volume rather than day-to-day fluctuations. Trends over a week tell the real story. And remember, creative quality and audience relevance still matter. Better engagement feeds better signals back into the algorithm, which further lowers your costs. Switch to Smart Bid. Choose the variant that fits your control preference, and let the algorithm work toward lower costs with smarter, more efficient bidding.